Okay, so we are here in MUSI 1130, Music Technology class. Everybody say hello. Hello. Can you hear how enthusiastic everybody is, as always? So this here is the recordings that I made last class. And what I've done is I've gone in and I've cleaned it out. So I've taken out all of the silence in between, and I've basically made a list of sounds. Here's the bass guitar, here's the trumpet, the accordion, harmonica, acoustic guitar, vocal sounds, and vocal sounds. So let's just take a listen to some of these sounds. Oh, right, I have to turn this up. We might get some feedback. So there's our first bass. We've got that one. Do you hear the distortion? Hear how it kind of vibrates? Normally that would be seen as not a good thing, but in Soundscape land, all of the mistakes tend to be sometimes your favorite sounds because you can make really cool sounds out of them. Right, Jazz? Yeah, girl. Okay. More bass sounds. A quiet one. A slide. A descending slide. And another slide going up. Okay. Lots to work with there. Then we have our trumpet. And of course, we know that our instrumentalist, Perrin, is a professional trumpet player, and this is what he gave us. Gorgeous. Oh my God, it's so clean. So clean. Oh. It's just like listening to songbirds in the morning, isn't it? This is him playing the mechanism, the keys. And then one clean tone in case if you... Oh, goodness. All right. Let's just listen to this one. Okay. Microphone's not happy. So then we have the accordion. Suspense. Random. More suspense. Random. Okay? So these sounds aren't supposed to work together. That's not the point. Oh, okay. We might get some this is just giving me a hard time. Let's see. Is it
because he turns the recording level on the harmonica?
Yeah, well, normally that's how you arm it. It should be disarmed. Let's just hope for the best here. Oh, yikes. That sounds like a bad dream. Okay, so here's a harmonica. And then? Excellent. Very nice. Okay. Acoustic guitar. A strum. Another strum. Slides. And some hits. So lots of different lots of different guitar sounds. And then these are my favorites. These are the vocal sounds. And these are sometimes not the ones that you thought I was going to keep. This is all the weird stuff too. So here we go.
Oh, okay.
Good.
A rooster?
Observe. Okay, wait. But there's more. It's not working.
It gets hard to go up high after a while.
very good.
Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to make some pitches, some rhythms, and some form. Okay? So, oh yeah, I saw that phone. I saw it. Yes, I did. Yes. Expansion of the naughty list. Rita! For the first time, Rita has made the naughty list. And yes, that's going in my video. You know who else is naughty? A man Preet for not coming to class and not sending me an email. All right, moving on. So I'm going to pick some sounds here that I like, and I'm going to start with rhythm, because a lot of times the rhythm is the easiest place to begin. So there were some good ones somewhere around here.
Observe.
Oh, I want that one. Okay. So I'm going to grab it. I'm going to hold down Option, and I'm going to copy it. Hold down Option, copies it. So my suggestion to you is don't mess up your library. This is your library of sounds. Keep this the way it is. Don't mess this part up. Take the parts you want and copy them and just drag them later in the piece. Okay, so what else do we have? Okay, wait. Okay, hold on.
It's not working.
Yeah, I like that one too. And I know it seems like I'm just taking sounds of my own voice, but I'm going somewhere with this.
It gets hard to go up high after a while.
Yes. It gets hard to go up high after a while. Incredibly musical. Okay, I'm going to skip. I know what sound that is. I'm going to skip it. Oh, I'm going to skip that too. That's nasty. Yeah, we want that too. A little bit of laughter. Never hurt anybody. Now let's go back and grab some of these beatboxer sounds.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I want that one. That one's great. Okay.
Okay.
So there's a bass drum sound. In fact, I'm pretty sure all four of these. Okay, I'm going to take these four. I'm going to select all four of them. I'm going to hold down Option. I'm going to drag them over. Okay, now I also want one of these bass sounds. I think I'm going to take this one. I think this is the one I want. Yeah, I'm going to grab that because that's nasty. Give me it. Okay, so I'm going to sit down here before I throw my back out because I'm so old. All right. So now I'm going to start to make a piece of music out of this. And I'm going to mute that so that we don't... We're okay. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's talk about tempo. So here's my tempo. This is 120 beats per minute. If I put the metronome on and I play it, that's how fast this song is going to be. If I go fast, whoa. If I go faster, it'll be this fast. If I go slower, it'll be like this. Okay? So this is how we adjust whether the piece is fast or slow. Right, Christian? Yes, look at me. Look at me. Okay, cool. I'm going to just put it back to 120 though, just because that's the default. Now, what that means is that here's your bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3. So 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar. All right? So that's how we can start to arrange things in the space to make our own loops. So the first thing I'm going to do is my snap to grid on. Where is it? Snap to grid. There we go. Snap to grid, what it does, I'm going to zoom in here and show you. Snap to grid means that this grid on the top, whatever you move, it'll automatically move it to those points. So I'm going to make, let's see, I'm going to come back in a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to copy it. And every 4 bars, I'm going to make myself a bass sound. And now I'm going to grab the bass drum. So that's this sound here. I'm going to turn that way down. Hello.
Observe.
Oh, no, that's not the bass sound. That's sass. That's what that is. Let's turn this down even more for now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no, that's not what I'm looking for. It's this one here. That's the bass. There we go. Okay, hold on. Gonna solo this. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna copy every 4 beats. And now we have a beat. I'm going to grab all of those. I'm going to copy. I'm going to grab all of these. I'm going to copy. I'm going to grab all of these. I'm going to copy. Now we have this. Yes. Okay. Who loves this already? Everybody's hand goes up. Everyone's hand just went up. I know you can't see, Mr. Viewer, Mrs. Viewer, but everyone loves this. Okay. So now we need a hi-hat sound, and that's going to be this one here. I think I'm going to do that like every so often. So rad. Okay, loving it. Now what's this? No, that's too boring. Oh, it's a little bit off. You know what? I think I want more of this. More! Okay. And then I'm going to copy this. Here. I'm going to grab these two. So you guys see what I'm doing, right? You see how I'm basically using a grid to build up things in an organized rhythm. Now here I want 2. I want it to go da-da. So I'm going to zoom in. And I'm going to go copy. And I think it's right here. Oh, nope. It's going to be right here. Yes. Okay. Now what else have we got? What's this? Let's have a listen.
It's not working.
Oh yeah, that's that one. Okay, what's this?
It gets hard to go up high after a while.
Oh, and some laughing. Okay. And then there's these weirdos. What is this one?
Observe.
Oh! Love it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I have an idea. So, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And I'm going to copy all of this. Grab it all. Copy it all to here. And now, at the beginning of the second bar, or the second phrase, sorry, I'm going to put this.
Observe. Oh, okay.
And then I'm going to put this one here. So now here's our second section. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. Oops. Don't need that. Here we go.
Observe. Oh, okay. Observe. Oh, okay. Observe. Oh, okay. Observe.
Oh, that's not what I thought it was going to be. Hold on. I thought that was the laughing track. It's going to be one of these, I think. Actually, I've got a better idea. I think it's this one. Yeah. Oh, give me some of that sweetness. Okay. So here's what we have so far.
Observe. Oh, okay. Observe. Oh, okay. Observe. Oh, okay. Observe.
Okay, so this could be called my opening section. Now, I haven't done anything to these sounds. There is an entire universe, Sam. Sam, Sam, Sam. There you are. I need to see your eyes. Look at me! Good, there we go. So there's an entire world of processing available to you. So we can take these sounds and we can deconstruct them. We can make them backwards. We can make them higher, lower. We can add reverb, all sorts of stuff. I'm going to begin just with this bass line. So I'm going to solo it. I'm going to open up our smart controls. Now under here, where it says Show Inspector, I want you to open that up. And you can see that now we have a whole bunch of plugins. If we open up the plugins, we can do things like add, echo. Wow, that did, oh, it's because I'm not on the right track. Okay, hello. Oh, no, 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 no. No, if I mute that, then you won't be able to hear. Okay, so anyway, we're just going to do it. We're going to add some echo. Let's add more echo. Uh-oh. That's some feedback. Yeah. All right. So we can do some other things to this. So in here, these little boxes, you can open up all sorts of different effects. So let's say we want to add a filter. So filters, they sweep up and down the high and low frequencies in a sound and do some really funky things. So I'm going to loop this so that we can audition these different filters. So let's look under the filters. Let's go for always rising filter. Here's what happens. Yeah, let's turn the echo off. Let's put that on. Okay. All right. So that filter was kind of a disappointment. It's because the sound isn't consistent enough. Let's do this. I'm going to duplicate this track. I'm going to copy these down here. And I'm going to see if I can turn these backwards. Now, in this version, where is that? Is it in here? Region, reverse. Reverse this. Reverse this. Reverse this. So now I've reversed this sound. And now we're going to get like a boomerang effect. So we'll get this. Okay? So, do you see how it plays, and then here it is backwards, and then it plays, and then here it is backwards. So let's try something a little bit more crazy. I know you're all on the edge of your seat right now. Let's try this filter here. Let's go to... Let's stay in filter. Let's open it up. Come on, open up. There we go. Let's try, ooh, dirty. Gotta get a little bit dirty. Anybody get the reference there? Christina Aguilera? Okay, sorry, I'm really old. Here we go. Now I think we can get something crazier than that. How about envelope modulator? That's not bad. Frequency monster. Just not getting what I want here. Sweeping bandpass. Okay, now we got nothing.
I bet if you put a bunch of those over the trumpet, you would get a lot of cool things.
You would, and what I'm trying to get across here and not doing very successfully is that, oh, laser filter. You can add filters, you can add effects to all of your sounds to completely abstract them. Okay, I'm going to give up on this. Let's put the same thing on this one. Laser. Okay. Let's add something else. Let's go for amps and pedals or distortion. Ooh, bit crusher. Bit crusher kind of turns things into like really ugly sounds. Let's see what happens now. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I'm coming. Distortion, bit crusher. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hear how it sounds kind of more... Sounds a little bit more electronic now. I don't mind that. What else have we got? Downshift. That's kind of cool. What about rough crunch? Okay, that sounds exactly the same. That's a lie. Oh, yes, I like. Okay, so that's chipped bits. I'm going to do the same thing to this. Chipped bits. Nice. Now, I think I also want to move the pitch down. So to do that, that is that in here? Region. Oh, right. That's in here. It's one of these effects. You can go to pitch shifter. I'm going to go down 12. Down 12 is down a whole octave. So now you'll hear that we get the... Which one is this on? Yeah, so check this out. Yes, we love it. So now we're down an octave. Let's do the same thing for this one. Pitch shifter. Make the mix 100% and go down 12. Okay, so now we got this bass line. Okay, that's disturbing. I love it. Let's add some reverb. And let's add some reverb. What's that? Yeah. Yes, this is how we all die in the future. It sounds like this. Okay? So you get the point, right? We could do things to all of these sounds to make them kind of cooler. So let's go to this bass drum sound. And let's add a filter to this one, because I know the filter will actually make a difference here. So let's go auto filter. Let's go envelope modulation. I kind of like that. We could go up. That's going up and down. That's just back and forth. I think I'm going to go for down. Cool, so now I've added a level of interest to that. Let's go in. Oh, stop it. What was this sound? Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to skip that sound. It's problematic. It's a problem child. Oh, this one too. Stop it. Stop it. I'm just going to leave it. Okay, so what I want you to do in this assignment, I'm going to just mute this. There we go. So in this assignment, what I want you to do is go back into all of these original sounds and using the elements of music that we talked about earlier, which is pitch, rhythm, and form, I want you to make a soundscape that has some rhythm, that has some pitch. Here is the pitch, this note here. It's a certain pitch. It's probably a G or a D or something. Here is some rhythm. We made rhythm out of all of this. And the form is this is our first section. It ends with a funny sound here. Okay? So, all in all, is that a cell phone you? Is it? Cell phone? Uh-huh. He doesn't want to be on the naughty list. Okay, so your goal is to actually take these raw materials and build a sculpture out of it. There is no one correct way of doing this. I can't tell you what to do. You have to just explore and uncover and discover the potential for craziness and beauty in this weird random group of sounds. All right? This assignment will probably take you 3 or 4 hours to do. So remember, you have time at the beginning of class every week to come in and work. You have the rest of today's class to get started. I want your soundscape to have maybe 2 sections, and it should be in groups of 4s or groups of 8s, because of course we want it to have some kind of rhythmic form and some kind of meter. So let's choose groups of 4s. And you can only use the sounds I've given you. You can't use any loops in GarageBand. Okay? So you have to make something wacky and weird, try to make it sound not like the original sounds, and give me something that is transformed. Does that make sense? Transformed. Transformers. More than meets the eye. Autobots raise their battle to destroy the evil forces of the Decepticons. So you want to transform this whole soundscape into something that's completely unrecognizable. Because not only is this an exercise in composition, it's also an exercise in sound design. So changing the sounds to sound different is the sound design element of it. Okay? So I'm going to stop the video now in 3, 2, 1.